Bisi tribani kecamte nostong jak vehicle rokna te lama bo cholin na nirikala borokna scrap khlaisaknai kok tisala kaisa pandani bisingti abo haikena kok samani nuksakha transport montri Sujant Chaudhary no World Transport Day no kitingi no kok tisala Gurkha Bosti by khopsak the Institution of Engineers Tripura tang bedeni bukhakti habano ko kaisa seminar songkha jakha a seminar of phai manja phakya hasteni transport montri Sujant Chaudhary a seminar of kok narakna pro transport montri shaka habar pollution ni shimi yakakna bagai abahai shep naharka kendriyo hapang abono kitingai kendriyo hapang scrap raidano songse rekha satai klayo hastini montri sabani achuk laimungo haste vehicle scrap policy janani bagai goshimung na harjakha transport montri tebo shaka puilawa haste hapani dalpidal tangbedugo use mani sorkari vehicle rokni phasing shep na hanai aboni ulabya sorkari vehicle no cheri nainani henai shaka transport montri a seminar of phai manjak phaka transport commissioner Subrata Chaudhary NIT Agartala assistant professor Dr. Dipankar Sarkar the Institution of Engineers Tangbedini Naikonlai Varamananda Sarkar Banerjee Akosong.
Number one, in the last cabinet meeting, the vehicle scrap policy, which is an important part in the coming times in order to check or make a balance or maintain the equilibrium in the environmental sector. We have decided to come up with this government scrapping policy under the directives of Government of India. And this policy ensures upon scrapping of those vehicles which are above 15 years of age. Initially, we have decided to start with government sector, the government vehicles will be brought under this scheme, under this provision, and it has been kept optional to the common public. Government of India has taken this decision of coming out with this scrapping policy long time. But this decision was pending with our state, and in the last cabinet, we have taken the decision.
Bureau Report, Kokhara.